FreeQMS is excited to announce our biggest UI overhaul to date. On top of that, various bug fixes and quality of life changes to help improve your experience. So stick around and we'll give you a brief rundown of what's coming to your instance of FreeQMS. To start things off, the addition you'll likely notice first is the new button added to every module. At the top right of every module will be a button that links specifically to the YouTube playlist for the appropriate module. When you're in the Kappa module, it'll take you to the Kappa module tutorials. If you're ever feeling lost or stuck or unsure about a feature of a specific module, this is where you'll want to go. The next change, a very widely requested one, is the addition of various tips across several pages. These should help keep users focused and guide them towards success when implementing records in the system. As for some of the more generalized but equally as important changes, the team at FreeQMS has been working for some time now to find ways to improve the UI and general usability of the program. We've taken a lot of feedback and consideration from users and have determined that our modules needed to be brought in line with one another. Now, when switching between modules, you should notice that they are all far more consistent with each other. This, hopefully, will reduce necessary training and greatly simplify the program for all users without any cuts to the functionality. Many forms and modules have been condensed to a single page that can be viewed in its entirety without any necessary scrolling. This has been achieved by slightly modifying the placement of various buttons, fields, and dividers, all with the goal of making the pages more readable and natural. Whether you're a veteran of FreeQMS or a total newcomer, you should have no troubles finding what you're looking for at any given moment. Beyond these changes are various bug fixes and general improvements to our system's backend that should help improve the average user's experience. And that covers our April 2024 update. These changes are live as of today, so you'll be able to see them the next time you log into your FreeQMS instance. As always, we value and appreciate your feedback and comments. Feel free to subscribe so you don't miss any update videos down the line.